We're taking a look at Oracle in here. We're down around 10 bucks on the day, almost 4%. We're trading at 244.18. You can see we're right on this lower trend line here that we have matched up since our lows back in April. And we're reaching the apex up here of this structure. Now, where does that kind of put us here on this weekly chart? Well, obviously, the next two trading sessions are going to be huge for us in here because if we do break below the 241s, that's going to be a confirmed break below this lower trend line here. And it looks like the only thing that can save us is going to be this 9-day EMA currently trading at the 231s. Anything below that, you're looking down here at the 217.53s. Now, as far as resistance wise go, obviously, we're going to be looking at nice whole numbers on our way up in here until we get to the top of the apex of this structure. So basically, we're looking at 250, 255, and then 260 before we get all the way up here, right around that 265 area. You can see that the RSI is extremely overbought in here, especially on the day weekly chart in here. Ever since June, you had that nice pop and that big run up. Basically just staying super high in here and overbought on the RSI. So a little bit of a refresh and a reset in here is kind of needed, but we're going to see how far down we actually break if we do confirm a break and a breach and a hold below that 241. That is going to be key. So we'll see how we end out the next two trading sessions on this weekly candle in here. Now, as far as our implied volatility, right now it's super high. Your IV ranking here is at 63 with around a $5 expected move priced in the next two trading sessions. We'll see what happens as we navigate our way through the next two trading sessions in here. Next Friday, right around $11 expected move. You go all the way out to September, right around a $27 expected move. You do have earnings coming up at the beginning of September. So we'll see how far we go as far as implied volatility expansion as we're working our way into that earnings report in early September on the September 8th to be more exact. But again, 241 level is going to be key for us in here. Anything below that, you're looking at the 9-day EMA right around that 231 resistance wise. Nice whole numbers working our way up 250, 255, and then 260 until we get to the top of our structure in here. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.